Hello, I'm Jerome Jeffcoat, and I've been an employee of Comtrans for 10 years. Today I just want to take the time to talk to you about seatbelt safety. There are several reasons why seatbelt safety is important. Number one, it's the law. Number two, it's Comtrans policy. And number three, this van does not move unless all occupants are seat belted. It keeps the client safe as well as the driver. Hey Nuvia, can you put on your seatbelt, please? So Comtrans drivers, I cannot stress enough, remember, buckle up and be safe.